You see, the DJ boy, Aidonia. Host, you had a spark when you started, but now you're just garbage. Fell from top 20, to not mention at all.
2024 need to start over. Never in a million years would I expect Sir P would release a diss track to Aidonia and Govana, the lyrical YouTuber. This was unexpected. I know last year Sir P had made videos about Aidonia and Govana, talking about the people they associate themselves with. Let's be clear, Aidonia isn't the only artist he has said this about. But things escalated when Aidonia dissed Sir P publicly.
So they can't sit up and listen to Bumbuckler youth in the living room and talk in front of them camera. I tell them about he say and she say and Bumbuckler. Yo, we are not to listen to Sir P say,
I know a lot of people don't like Sir P, but just listening to his videos, you can't deny some of his reasonings on certain topics. As I always say, you don't have to like the person, but if someone's reasoning is valid, you can't deny it. But boy, certain things Sir P said in this poem really surprised me.
What is your legacy, puss? You ain't got none. Decades in a dancehall, you don't have one classic album. Look on the bright side. There's always a market for nursery rhymes, Sheldon. And Jamaican people will always be in the mood to hear about who and who have us done. But as for elite status, forget it. You're just another DJ whose hype ran out like a phone credit. Yeah, I said it. And the little talent him used to have, just like snake skin, him shed it. Now he's a shadow of his former self, so desperate he calls out YouTubers on stage looking for help.
Sir P need to keep a class on how to do a diss song, because the man have come with some cold hard facts. However, I never agree with him still when him say Occupied Mind wasn't good. I believe it's a good project. I've even said this on this channel. Some of the songs on the project are still in my playlist. Yes, it didn't sell well, but I believe that even if an album doesn't sell well, it doesn't mean the album isn't good. Honestly, dancehall albums on a whole don't sell well. Sir P said him never liked the project, but hey, his opinion, to each his own. But Sir P showing Occupied Mind only selling 100 physical copies was a little bit disingenuous, because music is mostly distributed through streaming platforms. People hardly spend money on the physical albums unless they are die-hard fans. But Sir P really take this thing personally. Man break down Aidonia's career. He once was seen as one of the baddest DJ in dancehall history. Now he is an afterthought in most Jamaican minds. It sounds harsh, but it's true. The fan base is not as strong as one time. Dancehall music is a cruel business. You can be the hottest thing 1 minute with the biggest fan base, and then all the strength and momentum gone because people will move on to the new bright star. This can happen in a couple of months. That's why an artist needs to build a dedicated fan base. The reason why Massacre surpassed Donia, because over the years, while he was struggling to get the attention, he was cultivating his fan base until he finally mastered his craft. He started getting love and attention by majority of the dancehall fan base. Massacre is a unique artist. He rather put out quality over quantity. And he doesn't care if his part-time fans leave and support another artist, because he knows his true fan base will always support him. Most current dancehall artists can't do this, because they know they will lose majority of their fans if they release music periodically. Sir P touched on this, saying Massacre passed Aidonia, and that Donia is struggling to build back his fan base. But Jaja, Sir P really not like Govana, you know, cause
when I go tell the people them why the Spain girl them really call you dirty Govana. It's cause your mouth gets stiff whenever them on them cycle. Best stamp on in a Spanish town. That's how them style you. The 15 minutes of fame is up. Back to obscurity you go. Lyrically slaughtered by a YouTuber who knew you could stoop so low. But stooping is your strong point though. But I won't judge. Because if I say get your kicks, then by all means, Governor, have fun.
This is the best this song this year. JOP is under attack, and honestly, the best thing Aidonia and Govana can do is not to say anything. Because this is embarrassing, honestly. What can Aidonia do? He can't release a diss song to Serpy. It's just not a good look. Love him or hate him, Serpy is necessary. Let's be honest. There is little to no journalism happening in Jamaica. Though he is not a journalist, he has built a community where we discuss pressing issues that is happening in Jamaica and highlighting stories that will be forgotten or hidden in obscurity.